Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. We are playing Teardown. It is called Teardown. With my dog here today, but why is my camera like that? There we go. Campaign. GPS device. Here. I don't like that place, but okay. Wait, there's 4 GPS devices? What? GPS devices. Okay, tab. Fishing boat. Okay. That boat right there. That right there. And that warehouse right there. Okay, so if these actually do sound the alarm, I can drive that one because that's on a boat. I can drive that one all the way back here, drive that boat over here, and grab that one, take the speedboat over here, grab the rest, get in my escape van, and that would only leave me with probably about 10 seconds left. Bit of a risk to do. I mean, yeah, it is, but let's do it. Okay, this first one should be in here. But we don't. We can. Wow. Okay, time to break through the gate. Break through this gate. It was gonna open, but no. Kiwi. Kiwi. Parkour. Never mind. Okay. I'm pretty sure we can just put this one to the side, so. Shut that. Okay, yeah, see how it's connected to a red wire. Are you serious? This gets detached really bad. I'm not trying to like launch the truck. I'm a terrible driver in this game. Oh. Why is this truck so fast? Let's try to keep this as closest as possible, because the boat will be right there. Okay. Now we gotta go get the big chungus boat, which... yeah. Or we could just detach the trailer. That would be better. And then the truck could be our getaway vehicle. That. So seriously, just run out here and get into this vehicle. So you can do that. But we gotta make it quick, easy, and then just go find the GPS device. I think I know where it is, so. Boom, boom, boom. Run upstairs. Boom, boom. Not up here. Up here? Ooh, what's this? So I'll just grab that. To make it go even faster, I'll just jump down here. Out the door. Or not the door, but the window. And then I can just grab this, go inside, run right past. So that's complicated, but it will work. As long as I remember it, so. Kind of complicated. Okay, now let's find the big chunkiest one. I'm a great driver. Okay, we need to be on there. How do I get on? First, let's get rid of this. That's gonna be a problem. And let's get rid of that. Wait a minute. I can't do parkour. Fish. I like fish. We can release them into the wild. There's no fish in here. Alright. There we go. We're in. Alright. Wrecking into everything. Oh, well, that boat's almost sunk. This will be fun. I just broke half of that. Alright. 3. Boom. Alright. Out of ammo. Alright. Let me inside. There we go. Now let's make it quick, easy, and in. Go ahead and just. Alright, let's see here. Let's get off half of this. And let's get off half of this. And then I can just jump on, grab it, run. Alright. Do a quick save too, so. Yeah. This isn't, no. This isn't. Okay. Let's quick save. 3, 2, go! Jesus. So fast. Go fast, bro. Go fast. Oh yeah, we did. Alright, so let's see how we did that. So I went through there, goes down, gets in the car, goes extra fast. Meow. Oh yeah, that's how you do it, boy. Alright. So that's probably gonna be today's end of video, but let me grab my new bed that I ordered. This is my new bed I ordered off of Amazon, so let's go put it where it is. take it upstairs. Okay. No! Ah! What are you staring at, car? I thought. Let's go to my room now, actually. Got my pants. What are you staring at? That's what I thought. Just torch this whole place. Oh no. We're okay. Never mind. We're fine. Okay, anyways, that's gonna be today's end of video. And I will see you guys in the next video. So let's just go ahead and main menu. Quit. What? There we go. See you guys in another video.